throughout the duration of your flight, including during boarding and deplaning, even if you've been vaccinated or have a COVID-19.
We look forward to taking care of you today. If you need any assistance getting settled, we're delighted to serve you. As you find your seat, please place smaller items underneath the seat in front of you and larger items in the overhead bins. Check to be sure the bins can close. If they're full, feel free to go ahead and close the bins. Large electronic devices such as laptops must be stowed prior to pushback, either in a bag underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. They may not be stored in your seatback pockets or on your laps. It is for your safety. If you're sitting in an exit row seat, please review the exit seating responsibilities and the safety information card in your seat pocket. If you're unable or prefer not to perform these functions, please let us know. We'll be happy to find you another seat.
Nothing is more important to Delta and our partners and the safety of our customers and crew, which is why we're setting a new standard of cleanliness that includes sanitizing our aircraft with high-grade disinfectant, advanced air filtration systems, and wiping down all surfaces prior to boarding on each flight. In addition, we're wearing masks to ensure we're all protected, and we appreciate you wearing yours as well over your nose as well as your mouth throughout the duration of our flight. Now, before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants for a brief demonstration on the safety features of our CRJ-900 aircraft.
All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatory and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you are wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head. Fasten the strap to the front of the vest and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. When you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tubes at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can also be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children.